explorers, welcome back to the channel. If you are a student, skilled worker, or just dreaming of jackpot to UK, please don't skip this video because the UK just dropped new immigration rules in 2025 that will change how you enter, stay, and even bring your family. In this video, we'll break it all down, okay? The new UK immigration law, the correct salary threshold. Yes, it's changed. Who is affected and what you can do to protect yourself. Let's get into it. No grammar, just the facts, okay? Let's start with this. Why is the UK doing this? In 2024, net migration to the UK was over 700,000. That means more people came into the country than ever before. Some politicians and citizens started complaining, saying the UK was too full, that migrants were, taking up jobs, housing, and public services. To take back control and reduce immigration, the UK government introduced new immigration laws in 2025. The focus is now on higher salaries, higher education level, and cutting out low-paid care jobs from abroad. Let's look at what the law really says. This is one of the biggest updates in the new law. New salary threshold. Before now, to qualify for a skilled worker visa, your job needed to pay £26,200 or so. From July 22nd, 2025, the new minimum salary is now £41,700 per year. That's over 90 million per year in Nigerian currency. If you are applying under the skilled worker route and your job doesn't pay that much, you won't qualify, but there are few exceptions. If you have a PhD, you may be eligible with 37,500 salary. If it is STEM PhD, science, tech, engineering, maths, the salary drops to £33,400. But let's be honest, how many of us have a PhD? In the past, you could come into the UK with jobs that were A-level or diploma standard, like RQF level 3. But now, you need a degree level job. That's RQF level 6 and above. So lower skill roles like delivery drivers, hairdressers, cleaners, manufacturing and hospital job no longer qualify for visa sponsorship unless they are on the shortage list. This one really touched a lot of people, especially from Nigeria, India, Ghana, and the Philippines. Many people came to the UK through the health and care worker visa. It was one of the easiest way in. Now the door is closing. Overseas care worker visa are now ending. From July 22nd, 2025, you cannot apply for a new care worker visa from abroad. Only those already in the UK on a care visa before that date can extend or switch until 2028. And guess what? No more dependents for new care visas. That means no husband, no wife, no children. If you are planning to enter as a care worker from outside the UK, please rethink that plan. It's not just care worker being affected. The UK is also tightening how and when you can bring your family. Most student visa holders can no longer bring dependents. Work visa holders, especially in low-paying roles, must meet higher income thresholds to sponsor family. This is causing serious separation for couples and families. People are now having to choose: do I chase the UK dream or stay with my family? There is still something called the temporary shortage list, TSL. Some lower skill jobs are still allowed on a short-term basis, but you can't bring dependents. You only get a temporary visa. The pay is usually low and you have fewer rights. So yes, there are loopholes, but they are not ideal. Let's put a face to this law. Tolu from Nigeria came to the UK in 2023 as a care worker. She was hoping to bring her husband and baby in 2025. Now she can't. Her child only knows her voice from WhatsApp. The park, an Indian graduate in the UK, has a job offer paying £36,000. Sounds good, right? Under the new rules, it's not enough to get a visa. He has just 60 days to find another job or go home. Grace, a Ghanaian with a master's in public health, finished her studies. She was hoping to switch to a postgraduate visa and get a job in care. That door is now closed. These are the real life effects of this new law. Okay, now that you know the facts, what can you do? First thing is for you to focus on high skill jobs. Jobs in tech, healthcare, engineering, teaching like math, physics, and finance are still in high demand. They often meet the new salary rules. Second thing you can do is get a PhD if you already have or are planning to get a PhD. This gives you a better chance with lower salary thresholds. The third thing you can do is switch routes if you are already in the UK. If you are already there, don't panic. You might be able to switch to another visa or extend under transitional rules. Fourth thing you can do is to explore other countries. UK is not the only country on the map. Canada is still open. Germany now allows job seeking visa without offers. Finland and Portugal are offering digital nomad and startup visas. Let's recap the key points. New salary threshold is £41,700. Only degree level jobs qualify for work visas. Care worker visas from abroad are now closed. Students and low income workers may not bring dependents. Migrants already in the UK have until 2028 to adjust. You need to be strategic and informed if you are planning to japa. This is no longer just apply and go system. You need to plan smart. That's it for today's deep dive into the new UK Immigration Law 2025. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share it with friends or family planning to move to the UK. Subscribe for more updates on visas, migration, and global opportunities. Let me know in the comments, how do these rules affect you? Are you still considering the UK or looking elsewhere? Until next time, stay informed and hopeful and stay ready, okay? I'll see you in the next one. Bye.